Hi everyone, this is Esan and you are watching Master XAU USD. In this video, I will discuss about monetary policy, hawkish monetary policy and dovish monetary policy. Central banks, for example, US Federal Reserve, European Central Bank and State Bank of Pakistan, they constantly balance between economic goals, inflation and support growth and employment. So, what is hawkish policy? Hawkish policy is the one in which central bank prioritize fighting inflation. Their focus is to control the inflation, even if controlling the inflation may cause slow down economic growth or it may increase unemployment in the shorter term. So, in hawkish policy, what is done? They increase the interest rate or keep the interest rate at high rates. In this way, money supply is reduced. Now we move to the dovish policy. Dovish policy is the opposite of hawkish policy. It prioritizes economic growth and employment. In hawkish policy, the priority is to control the inflation, while in dovish policy, priority is economic growth and employment. So in dovish policy, you cut the interest rate or keep the interest rate low. In this way, money supply is increased. Okay, now we move to the next page, side by side comparison. So in hawkish policy, controlling inflation is a priority. In hawkish policy, you increase the interest rate or you keep the interest rate high. So when you keep the interest rate high, money supply is tightened. So what is economic impact of hawkish policy? You are actually slowing down growth and currency tends to strengthen. Why currency tends to strengthen? Because you are increasing the interest rate. So the impact of increasing the interest rate is your currency becomes strong. It has negative effect on the stock market. If you are becoming too much hawkish, then what will be its impact? Its impact will be recession and high unemployment. You cannot keep on increasing interest rate and increasing interest rate. If you keep on doing, if you keep on, if you remain hawkish, you will have to face recession. So the next point is dovish policy. In dovish policy, priority is to boost growth and jobs. You cut the interest rate, you keep the interest rate low. So both, there are two options. Either you cut the interest rate, if the interest rate are already low, you keep them low. You are not going to increase them. So the effect of dovish policy on money supply is that money supply increases, it expands. So what is economic impact? It increases the economic growth. So currency becomes weakened, stock market has positively goes upward, and if you keep on reducing the interest rate, it may cause overheating, high inflation. So actually, what does the central bank do? Their priority is to remain sometimes hawkish and sometimes dovish. So hawkish policy is the one end of monetary policy, while dovish policy is the other end of monetary policy. The aim of both policies is to keep the economy healthy and stable. Hawkish policy leans on discipline and restraint to keep inflation in check. Your focus is to keep inflation in control, while dovish policy leans on stimulus and support to keep growth and employment strong. So in short, hawkish policy is to control the inflation and dovish policy is to keep growth and employment strong. This is on the opposite ends of monetary policy. This is all about policy. I have made other fundamentals videos. You can watch, like and subscribe my channel so that I may get motivation and make further videos for you.